In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate documents using Google Docs. Translation can open doors to understanding and communication, allowing you to connect with different cultures and languages effortlessly. It's a simple process, so let's walk through it together. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Docs and open the document you wish to translate. This should be a document stored in your Google Drive. If it hasn't been uploaded yet, simply drag and drop it into your drive, then open it. Once your document is open, you'll want to go to the top menu bar. Here, you'll see a tab labeled Tools. Clicking on this option will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll find several features designed to enhance your document creation experience. Among these, look for Translate Document and select it. This translation feature is incredibly user-friendly, designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of your tech skills. After selecting Translate Document, a new window will appear, prompting you to give your translated document a new name. This is crucial as it helps distinguish between the original and the translated version, preventing any mix-ups later. Once you've named your new document, you will see a drop-down menu offering various languages to choose from for your translation. Google Docs supports a plethora of languages, granting you the flexibility to cater to your specific needs. Take your time to select the language that best serves your translation goals. After making your selection, the next step is to simply click on the Translate button. Google will process your document, and in just a few moments, a new window will open. This window contains your translated document, ready for you to view, edit, or share as you see fit. The beauty of Google Docs translation feature lies in its simplicity and efficiency. You get a translated version of your document without needing to manually input data into separate translation apps or sites, saving you time and effort. It's a useful tool for students, professionals, and anyone looking to overcome language barriers. Remember, the quality of the translation relies heavily on the original document's clarity and context, so it might be useful to quickly review the translated document, especially if it's intended for important communication. Sometimes, a quick read-through will help catch any nuances the automatic translation might have missed. That's how you can easily translate documents using Google Docs. It's a straightforward and effective method to bring a world of information into your language, quite literally with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, feel free to explore other features within Google Docs that can further enhance your document handling. Until next time, happy translating!